Next, fourth one is total capacitance between 2 points, this L and M we have to calculate. Okay. We have to calculate the equivalent capacitance between these two terminals. See, we have what? C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6. We have 6 capacitance values which are connected in different manner. So, let us start the problem. See, first we have to start reducing the circuit between these two. This combination is connected in parallel, then this whole combination is connected in series with C3, the whole combination is connected in parallel with C4, the whole combination is connected in series with C5, then the whole combination is parallel with C6, then the answer. Okay. First, see, in case of capacitance calculations, you should be careful. See, if two resistors or two inductors are connected in series, simply we have to add them. If those are connected in parallel, simply we have to add them by reciprocal of that values, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 or 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2. But in case of capacitance, if these two are connected in parallel, simply we add them, that is C1 plus C2. That is the only difference in case of capacitance calculations. If they are in series, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, that is it. Okay. See, first C1 and C2 are in parallel, therefore, C12 is equals to C1 plus C2, right. What is the value of C1 plus C2? C12 is equals to, what is the value of C1? 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3 microfarad. Then the circuit becomes what? Right, like this we are going to get. See, this is given, this is given, this is M, this is P, this is C3, this is C5, right. Sorry, this is C1 C2, this is nothing but C12, right. Then completed, this branch is connected at O, this is N O, this branch is connected at O, then this branch is connected at P, completed, right. This is what? C4, C4, this is C6. That is C12 is 3 ohms, 3 microfarad. This is C3. What is the value of C3? 2 microfarad. This is 3 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. Therefore, from this, C12 and C3 are in C3. C12 and C3 are in series. Therefore, the equivalent C123 is equals to what? C12 into C3 by C12 plus C3, right. What is the value of C12? 3 into, what is the value of 3? C3 2 by 3 plus 2, which is equals to, what is the value of C123, which is equals to 6 by 5 microfarad. This is C123. Okay. Then the circuit becomes what? C12, that is it. This is O, right. Again we have one branch, this is P, this is M, this is L. Completed. What is the value of C123? This is 6 by 5 microfarad. This is C5. Between O and P we have only C5. What is the value of C5? That is 2 microfarad. This is C4. C4 is what? 1 microfarad. This is C6. That is 1 microfarad. Okay. Now, this is Ca. Okay. This is as it is C5, and this is C6, this is C4. From this Ca and C4 are in parallel, right? That is Ca and C4 are in parallel. Therefore, Ca4 is equals to Ca, parallel means what? Addition, Ca plus C4, which is equals to 6 by 5 plus 1, which is equals to Ca4 is equals to 11 by 5 microfarad, 11 by 5 microfarad. Therefore, that is it between these two. Ca4, this is O, this is P, this is M, this is L. This is what? 11 by 5 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. This is 1 microfarad. Right? This is what? C5. This is C6. This is Ca4. Right? Therefore, Ca4 and C5 are in series. Ca4 and C5. C. Ca4 and C5 are in series. Therefore, Ca45 is equals to, we can Cb. Now, it could be notated as Cb, which is equals to Ca4 into C5 by Ca4 plus C5, which is equals to, what is the value of Ca4? 11 by 5 into, what is the value of C5? 2 by 11 by 5 plus 2, which is equals to 11 by 22 by 21. 22 by 21 microfarad. This is about Cb, that is equal to Ca45. Then the circuit becomes C. This is L, this is the whole combination is nothing but Cb. This is P, which is equals to M. This is L, which is equals to, what is the value of C? Cb is equals to what? 22 by 21 microfarad. Then only we have what? Between this point and this point only 1 microfarad. This is connected. This is 1 microfarad. That is nothing but what? C6, right? Therefore, from this Cb and C6 are in parallel, right? Therefore, we can consider it as what? C equivalent. Only we have two elements, no? That is why C equivalent is nothing but Cb plus C6. Therefore, what is the value of Cb? 22 by 21 plus 1, which is equals to 22 plus 21 by 21, which is equals to C equivalent is equals to 43 by 21. 43 by 21 is nothing but 2.05 microfarad. 2.05 microfarad. Therefore, we can write the equivalent between, this is L, this is M. Okay, the equivalent capacitance is, this is C equivalent is equals to 2.05 microfarad. So, like this you have to write, this is the answer, C equivalent equals to 2.05 microfarad. Then the option is C. C. There is a systematic way of approach. For every problem you have to do like this. Okay, there is a systematic way of approach. First, There is no confusion at all. Just to simple analyze the elements. These two are connected in parallel. That's why add them. This is 3 microfarad. These two are connected in series. That's why 6 by 5. Again, the 6 by 5 and C4 are connected in parallel. That is, we are going to get the addition of this 11 by 5. Again, these two are in series. That is 22 by 21. Therefore, these two are in parallel. That is 2.05 is nothing but answer. Next problem is fifth one. So, from this circuit we have to calculate the value of R x y, R y z, R z x, like that. In this problem we have to calculate R x y between terminals x 1 y z, we have to calculate R x y, y z, x z. So, first to calculate R x y, to calculate R x y, what is the circuit? See, we have one branch, we have another branch, we have this branch, right? This is x, this is y, this is z. So, we are going to calculate the resistance between these two, right? R x y, right? This is R x y, that is it. See, the current is I, the leaving current is I. Between these two we have to calculate, means we have to see between these two terminals like this, right. So, there is no current through this branch, I is equal to 0, there is no current through this branch. Therefore, R x y is nothing but what? R x plus R y, which is equals to what? 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3 ohms, like this. This is for R x y. Like this, R y z, the circuit is this is x branch, this is y, this is y, x, z. Next we have to calculate R y z between these two, right. So, we have to calculate, this is z, between these two we have to calculate, this is R y z. So, I leaving current is I. So, I leaving current is equal to, there is no current through this branch, the same amount of current like this entering, which is equal to leaving. Therefore, R y z is equals to R y plus R z. What is the value of R y? 2 plus 3, that is 5 ohms. Similarly, R x z is equals to R x plus R z. Therefore, the answer is what? R x plus R z. 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4 ohms. The answer is 4. Right. So, R x y is equals to R x plus R z, R y z equals to R y plus R z. So, like this is very important. So, coming to this problem, so we are calculating R x y. First solution, first one is R x y, right. First one is R x y. So, this is x, this is y, right. So, this is 1 ohm between x and z, this is z. Between x and z we have 3 ohms, between y and z we have 2 ohm, right, 2. We have to calculate the resistance between these two terminals R x y, see R x y, this is R x y. Therefore, between these two terminals we have to check, see this is the current entering current, the current can be split into this branch I1 and this is I2. The current is entering up to this terminal, the current is I, it can be split into I1 and I2, the same amount of current I2, there is no another branches, right. So, I2 the same amount of current can be reversed, therefore, I2 the same amount of current I1. At this I1 plus I2 is entering, again the leaving current is nothing but I. See, I is split into I1 I2, again at this node the I can be split into I1 I2, entering current is equals to I, leaving current is equals to I. KCL satisfied. So, from this 1 ohm is connected in parallel with this branch, that is R x y is equals to name R1, R2, R3, that is R1 ohm is R1 is connected in parallel with R2, R3, that is it. R x y is equals to, what is the value of R1? 1, which is parallel with R2 plus R3, 3 plus 2, 5, which is equals to 1 into 5 by 5 plus 1, that is 5 by 6 ohms, 5 by 6 ohms. Like that, R y z, which is equals to what? R y between these two. Between these two are in series, this is parallel, that is 2 is parallel with 3 plus 1. Therefore, 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4, that is 8 by 6, 4 by 3 ohms, like that R x z. So, R x z between these two. So, between these two terminals, these two are in series, the whole combination is parallel with 3, that is 3 is parallel with 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3 into 3 by 3 plus 3, which is equals to 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2 ohms. So, like this we have to write. These are very important observations. Okay. This is star connected, that is delta connected connection. So, between these two terminals 1 plus 2, between these two terminals 2 plus 3, between these two terminals 1 plus 3, that is it, completed. So, like that between this x and y. So, by seeing between these two terminals, these two are connected in series, the whole combination is connected in parallel with this, that is 1 ohm is parallel with R2 plus R3. Like that, for R y z, between these two R1, R3 are in series, which is parallel with R2, 2. Like that, R x z is nothing but what? Between these two R1, R2 are in series, the R1, R2 combination is parallel with R3, that is it, 3 by 2 ohms. Next problem is this one. This is very, very important problem. This is very important problem. Okay. So, from this we have to calculate the value of R x y. We have to calculate the resistance between these two terminals R x y. So, before the calculation, first we have to analyze the circuit, that is how many resistors are connected in series, how many resistors are connected in parallel. So, for that, what is the trick that we have to consider? Just we have to assume our current, that is it. So, through this terminal the current is entering, right. The same amount of current can be leaving from this terminal y. Okay. Therefore, see, then the current can be split into this branch and this branch, right. So, from this circuit, have you observed anything? So, this is R1, this is R2, but between these two terminals, for example, this is node A, this is node B, let us say. Okay. Between this A and B, we do not have any resistive branch, that is we only have the short circuit path. Between A and B, we only have the short circuit path. Then tell me, after reaching this point, the current can be split or not? Obviously, after this point, there is no current through this path. Why there is no current through this other side of the network? Because always current prefers low resistive path. So, for this, what is the value of resistance, which is equals to 0 ohms. So, there is no current through this circuit, only the current can be like this. Obviously, there is no current through this R2 also, there is no current through R2. I is equals to 0 here. Why I is equals to 0? After reaching this point, the current will choose low resistive path, then only KCL is satisfied. Therefore, I see the path. This is the path for the current. This is the path for the current. Then tell me what is the value of R x y? Then what is the value of R x y? Simply that is R 1. Simply that is R 1. This is very important observation. This is very important observation. I am considering the same circuit. Right, this is A, this is B, this is X, this is Y, right. This is R 1, this is R 2, R 3, sorry. Between R 2 and R 3 we have a short circuit path, right. We have R 4, we have R 5. Then what is the value of R A B? Tell me. Then what is the value of R A B? So, based upon that concept, you have to tell what is the value of R A B from this. Just means we have to calculate the resistance between these two terminals, means we have to reduce the circuit from this side to this side. Before that, we have to analyze the circuit. So, this is I 1, I 2, right. So, the I 2 is equal to like this, I 2 should prefer this path only, right. Therefore, I 2, this is I 1, therefore, this is I. That is it. This is the path for the that is circuit becomes what? R 3 A B R 5 R 4 and R 3, right. Solution. This is 7, this is 8. Okay. See, after this modification, the circuit becomes like this, right. See, R 5 I, up to this point the current is I, then again I 1, this is I 2. Through I R 3 the current is I 2, then again through short circuit path the current can be bypass, that is I 2. Again I 2, this is I 1, this is I. Then tell me from this what is the answer? R 3 is parallel with R 4, which is connected in series with R 5. This is nothing but R A B. Therefore, the circuit becomes what? This is B, this is A, right. This is R 5, sorry, small r 5, this is R 3 4, right, R 3 4. Later it should be A B, this is what is the answer? R 3 is parallel with R 4, that is R 3 4 plus R 5, which is equals to R A B. That is it, that is the answer. So, like this you have to analyze the circuit. Always current prefers low resistive path. So, between these two terminals we have a short circuit path. There is no current through this other side of circuit. Like this, there is no current. There is no current through this circuit. Okay. Next one, ninth one. For example, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Next, 10th one. This is R 1, R 2, R 3, like that. This is R 1, R 2. This is A, this is B. Then tell me what is the value of R A B, what is the value of R C D. For this, what is the value of RAB? Then tell me, what is the value of RAB? See, to calculate the equivalent resistance between these two, RCD, right? Therefore, see the current, the same amount of current can be like this, I. There is no current through this, I is equals to 0. Why I is equals to 0? Because this, see, these two terminals are open circuited, therefore, there is no current through this path, only the current can be like this. Therefore, R1 plus R2. The answer is RAB, R1 plus R2, right. Like this, what is the value of RCD? Same. For this, like this, the current is like this. There is no current through this path. There is no current through this path. I is equals to 0. Therefore, RCD is what? R2 plus R3. Right. Next, coming to this problem, what is the value of RAB? See, always current prefers short circuited path, always current prefers this path only. Therefore, there is no current through this branch, I is equals to 0. Therefore, RAB is nothing but simply R1. So, problem 7, 8, 9, 10, these are very important observations. These are all nothing but important note points. Okay.